Today we are going to make chocolate cake and we serve it with ganache. This is a yummy dish that is loved by all. When this time is to make cake at home, we face many difficulties, right? So there is a quick recipe for a cake that makes you fall in love with chocolate cake. It's a very delicious dish for a cake lover or a chocolate cake lover. Here are the ingredients we need: cocoa powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, curd, melted butter, fatful milk, maida, that's corn flour, powdered sugar, and a baking powder. In a bowl we add all-purpose flour, that is maida. Then we add powdered sugar. Then we add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then we stain it. Now we are adding half tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder. Now we are adding our vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. Then we add melted butter, here I am taking 60 grams of curd, then we are adding our milk. Now we have to whistle it properly. Whistle it properly, there is no lump. Check it properly. जितना हम इसे whisk करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा टेक्सचर होगा हमारे केक का और उतनी ज़्यादा फ्लफीनेस होगी इसके अंदर. In the mixture now I am adding some chocolate chips or the chocolate that is cut properly. You can add anything. You can add any nuts or gems or any chocolate, any type of chocolate. Now I am taking a vessel and grease it properly. Now we are adding our mixture in it. Now I am taking this pan into the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes at the setting and the power setting of 850. Now go ahead, microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes at the setting of 850. Now we are going to check this with a stick, and stick comes clean, that it means it is ready. Now we serve in a plate. Now our chocolate cake is ready. You can serve hot like a brownie with ice cream, or you can serve it with ganache. Here I am taking the ganache by melting chocolate in a milk. Here I am going, if you want this video you can comment below. Now our chocolate cake look like this with ganache. Now we add some powdered or ice sugar on it. Now our chocolate like this. Please like this and try it at home. It's very delicious.